In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use theater mode to watch replays here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually just go up to this section up at the very top and select these little three dots here, or just hit F1 to pull up the launcher menu, which is going to look something like this. On this section, you're going to see an option for theater. Go ahead and select it, and this is going to bring up a list of all of your recently played games. It's going to show both online and offline matches, which is a really cool feature. Just choose whatever replay you want to go ahead and watch. For example, we could do this one right here, and double click on it to open it up, and it's going to immediately begin loading. And oh my god, that was bright right there. Now once you do get loaded into theater mode, you're going to have a ton of different options. You can start recording clips directly inside of theater mode. You can press play or pause. You can fast forward or rewind. You could switch between players by pressing up or down on, the D-pad, for example, or just following through the list of controls. You can also even explore the map freely using the free camera mode, allowing you to literally fly outside the map and look around anywhere you would like. You can also change the camera views, whether it's first person, third person, or free cam. Theater mode is obviously just great for reviewing angles, learning, positioning, or just rewatching cool plays. There's pretty much no limit to what you can do with it, and it's definitely improved a lot this year compared to previous years. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.